Ever wondered, is TransUnion credit-wise? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of credit scores and untangling a common question: is TransUnion actually credit-wise? Now, hold on a sec. Before you get overwhelmed by financial jargon, let's take a step back. We all know a good credit score is key to unlocking a world of financial opportunities. Think better loan rates, easier access to credit cards, even snagging a sweet apartment. But keeping track of your credit score can feel like navigating a maze. There are credit bureaus, credit reports, credit monitoring services. It's enough to make your head spin. So, where does TransUnion fit in, and what exactly is credit-wise? Buckle up, because we're about to break it all down. Understanding the credit reporting game. Imagine your credit history as a detailed report card tracking your financial responsibility. This report card is compiled by credit bureaus, the big three being TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. These bureaus collect information from creditors like banks and credit card companies, painting a picture of your borrowing habits, repayment history, and overall creditworthiness. Now, here's the key difference. TransUnion is a credit bureau responsible for gathering and maintaining your credit data. CreditWise, on the other hand, is a credit monitoring service offered by Capital One. Think of it like this: TransUnion is the library with all your credit information on file. CreditWise is a free app that lets you access your credit report and score specifically from TransUnion's library. So, why does confusion exist? Here's where things get a little tricky. CreditWise heavily relies on data from TransUnion to provide your credit score and report. This close connection can sometimes blur the lines, making it seem like TransUnion and CreditWise are one and the same. But remember, CreditWise goes a step further. It offers additional features like credit monitoring, which sends you alerts for any changes to your TransUnion credit report. Is CreditWise right for you? CreditWise is a great free tool, especially for those who want to keep an eye on their credit health. It allows you to see your TransUnion VantageScore 3.0 credit score, one of many scoring models. Access your TransUnion credit report. Get alerts for significant changes to your report. Find potential errors and dispute them if necessary. However, it's important to remember that CreditWise only gives you a glimpse into your TransUnion data. For a more comprehensive picture, you might want to consider checking your reports from the other two major bureaus as well. The takeaway: knowledge is power. Whether you choose CreditWise or another service, the key takeaway is to be proactive about your credit health. Monitoring your credit report regularly allows you to catch errors early on and potentially prevent identity theft. Remember, a good credit score can save you money in the long run, so taking some time to understand the credit reporting system is an investment in your financial future. Bonus tip: while CreditWise offers a free basic service, there are other credit monitoring services with more features, like credit simulations or dark web monitoring. However, these typically come with a subscription fee. Do your research and choose the option that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.